students, we are just continuing our previous chapter, playing with number, chapter number 4. So we are starting your highest common factor. We have done with your prime factorization, and today we are doing highest common factor or HCF. HCF is the greatest number from the common factors of the given number. So what is HCF? For finding the HCF, you have to write down the factors of a number, and then you have to find out the greatest common factor. There are two methods of doing an HCF. One is your prime factorization method and another one is your division method. So let's start. So here I have done prime factorization method. Okay, so your first question is find the HCF of 28 and 36. So for doing this, you have to write down the 28, and I have done the prime factorization of 28. 2 14s are 28. I told you for doing the prime factorization, you only have to use the prime numbers and start with the smallest. Okay, so 2 14s are 28, then 2 7s are 14, and 7 1s are 7. So the prime factors of 28 is 2 into 2 into 7. Now we have done the prime factorization of 36 is 2 18s are 36, 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9, and 3 1s are 3. Okay, so the prime factorization of 36 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So as I told you that HCF is the greatest common factor. So you can see what is the common factor here, 2, again here 2. So how many times we are getting 2? 2 times. So the HCF of 28 and 36 is 2. These two make one pair and I have written over here, and these two make one pair and I have written over here. Then 2 2s are 4. So the HCF of 28 and 36 is 4. Clear? Next is your division method. So your question is find the HCF of 12, 18 and 46. So how you are going to find out the HCF? First you have to take the two numbers 12 and 18. Any two number you can take. Okay, so I have taken 12 and 18. Write down the greater number here. Make a box like this. Write down the greater number here and another number over here. Now 12 ones are 12. 18 minus 12 will be 6. Then again you have to make a box, and this divisor over here become your dividend. Clear? You have written this divisor over here. Now 6 2s are 12, and 12 minus 12 will be your 0. So when you got 0, this number, this divisor become your HCF. So HCF of 12 and 18 is 6. Clear? Now you have to find the one more number is there, 46. So you have to find the HCF of 6 and 46. Same as we done over here, you have to write down 46 over here and 6 over here. Now 6 7s are 42. 46 minus 42 will be 4. Now again make a box, and this divisor become your dividend. Okay, now 4 1s are 4. 6 minus 4 will be 2. Okay, again you will make a box. You have to continue it until you get a 0. Okay, so this divisor become your dividend. Now 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 4 will be 0. Okay, so now you are getting 0. So it means that HCF of 6 and 46 is 2. Okay, therefore the HCF of 6 and 46 is 2. Now you have done the HCF of 12, 18 and 46. So you will write, hence HCF of 12, 18 and 46 is 2, because at last here what we are getting? We are getting 2. So therefore the HCF of 18, 12 and 46 is 2. Okay. So your question is find the greatest number which can divide 257 and 329 so as to leave remainder 5 in each case. You have to find that greatest number, it means highest number, which when divide 257 and 329, it leaves the remainder 5. So our solution is when 257 is divided by the required number, 5 is left as a remainder. Okay, when we divide 257 by that required number, we are getting 5 as a remainder. It means this number is 5 more. So what we do, we subtract 5 from this number. And when we subtract 5 from 257, we are getting 252, which is exactly divisible by that number. Clear? Similarly, we will do for 329. That 329 minus 5 is equals to 324. And this 324 is exactly divisible by the number which we have to find. Thus, the required number is the HCF of 252 and 324. Now we have to find the HCF of 252, the number which we are getting over here, and 324. Okay. So here is the HCF I have done. Okay, so you will write the greater number over here, smaller over here. Now 252 ones are 252. When you subtract these two, your answer is coming 72. Now again your divisor become your dividend. Now 72 threes are 216. Again when you subtract these two, your answer is coming 36. Now again this divisor become your dividend, and 36 twos are 72. When you subtract these two, now you are getting 0 over here. It means you have done with your HCF. Now this number become your answer. Okay, so the HCF is 36. The divisor which you are getting at last is your HCF. Therefore the required number is 36. Means 36 a number which when divide 257 and 329 leaves 5 as a remainder. So try these kinds of sums in your homework, and thank you. Have a nice day.